In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DJI Neo drone to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The DJI Neo Fly is designed to be connected to any phone, so Android devices, iOS devices, whatever you have, you will be able to connect it using the DJI Fly application. So if needed, open the Play Store or the App Store and download DJI Fly. You will only be able to connect it to your phone properly if you have the latest version of this app installed. Once you have the app, open it up after powering on the DJI Neo Fly or the DJI Neo drone, sorry. Once it is powered on inside of the DJI Fly application, ensure that you have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and also location permissions enabled on your device. So make sure that all of these have been enabled, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location. Once you have all of them good to go, if you look over here on this panel on the application, as long as the Neo is powered on and in close proximity, it is going to appear. So you will see the option to connect. Like I said before, make sure that the Neo is powered on and near your phone and that you have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location permissions enabled, and it should be detected right away. So in here, tap on connect. You will see this message connecting, so just wait for this process to finish. Once it is done loading, you will see the app display like this, connection successful. Tap the start button to take off and start recording. And now you will have full control over your Neo drone. You will have the settings, you can browse through the album of pictures and videos that you have taken, and everything will be managed through the app. If this doesn't work, restart your phone, restart the Neo drone, and make sure that they are in close proximity with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location permissions enabled. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.